second part of week 18 experiment is in your, it was in that Van Cleves book, and it's going to be just, again, we're talking about the properties of air and the fact that there are air currents. And so we're going to talk about, eventually we're going to discover that heat rises, hot air rises, and then it gets up into the atmosphere and it cools, and so it starts to fall back down. So we have constant currents going on, and it's when those currents are drastic that we have weather issues. So you're going to take your tissue paper and you're going to cut it into a spiral, and then you're going to take a piece of thread and you're going to tape it to the center of the spiral, and then we're going to light our candle, and we're going to hold the spiral that we made directly above the flame, and we're going to watch. I'm just going to take some thread. Thread is light. That's why it's a good thing to use. And we're just going to watch what happens as the air movement goes over something like this piece of tissue paper. So I light my candle. It says to use a lamp, but I didn't feel like bringing a bunch of lamps, so we're just gonna, we'll see if it'll work. So what's happening is the hot air is rising and it's causing movement. If I move this away, it'll unspiral, but then it's just gonna kind of stay still. So it unspirals, but then it just kind of, it's gonna hang out here. And it's even getting some heat from the lamp, from the candle. As I get closer and it gets into that current, it starts to spiral again. But as I move away from that current, it's going to unspiral, but it's not going to move anymore.